Adventures with Joshua. Today we are making Joanna Gaines Power Ball recipe. Yay! And my helper for today is Kiana. I'm sure you've heard of the show Fixer Upper because we love it. And if you love cookie dough, you're gonna love making this recipe.
Here's what you'll need: old-fashioned oats, flaxseed, chia seeds, toasted coconut, organic peanut butter, organic almond butter, cinnamon, miniature chocolate chips, honey, and vanilla extract. Joanna Gaines suggests adding a tablespoon of vanilla protein for an extra boost. We didn't have this ingredient, but you're more than welcome to it. Have 2 mixing bowls ready and something to help you stir. One bowl is for mixing the dry ingredients, and the other bowl is for mixing the wet ingredients. Let's start with our dry ingredients. First, add 1½ cups of old-fashioned oats. Next, add 1/4 cups of flaxseed. Use 4 tablespoons to equal 1/4 cups. Add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Now add 2/3 cups of toasted coconuts. Sprinkle a dash of cinnamon, and for our favorite part, add in the chocolate chips. Finally, mix it all together.
It's a chocolate chip. Get it? Chip?
Let's put that aside and work on our wet ingredients. First, add 1/3 cup of organic peanut butter. Add 1/2 cup of organic almond butter. Now add 1/4 cup of honey. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it up. Add the wet ingredients to the dry. You can mix this all up with your hands. Just remember to wash up first. Now we roll the mixture into power balls. And there you have it. The mixture yielded 16 to 20 power balls. Delicious. Thank you, Joanna Gaines, for this recipe. It was yummy and we had a lot of fun making it. You should all make this at home. It's a sweet treat and an even sweeter time with your family. Try this recipe out by clicking the link in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time on Adventures with Joshua.